Welcome to week 7. This week is about adopting lifelong learning. I want to do a quick little overview of how this module is set up, just like the others. Remember that from modules or the home page, so let's go back to the home page. My computer's slow this morning. You will select the module. We're in module 7. This will change on Saturday to identify the new module. Module 7 is about adopting lifelong learning. And once you click on that module, it will take you to the overview. Remember to read what is expected for the week. This will tell you the goals for learning, the objectives, what you should be able to walk away with. Our reading will be chapter 7. There's a learning styles article that you'll read and respond to. There's the academic toolkit. I have a short lecture on the role of technology in lifelong learning. You have a discussion on different perspectives. There are 3 videos to choose from. There 2 are rarely typical TED Talk, about 25 minutes. One is an excerpt from Randy Pausch's last lecture. It is 45 minutes. It is extremely powerful and a little bit emotional, but it is, I left it there just because I know it's long, but it is quite valuable. So select one. You have 2 journals as usual. You have your reading quiz. The journals will come in either page 195, 200, 209. So select one of those. Select the one on page 217, and then you've got your writing style strategies, very important for lifelong learning, as well as academics. So here is our lecture. This one does not have any embedded questions, but it's a very short lecture. Here is your reading article with the instructions on what to do with that reading article. So read it, identify your preferred style, and then post a response at the end of the article. So it's about learning styles, just another perspective on learning styles. Once you're done with that and you hit next, you'll come to the reading quiz, and then after the reading quiz, you'll see, and remember I always review those reading quizzes, you'll see the spot for you to submit your journals. Remember to upload those in a Word document or a PDF. And then this learning toolkit this week does give you that option again, just like last week, where you could do a wise choice or an academic skill plan. I think writing is extremely important, not only for academics, but for the business world. Regardless of what you're going to do, you will probably have to communicate in some sort of writing format. Given the fact that most of us are communicating via email and or YouTube posts or Twitters, it is always nice to be able to communicate effectively. So I think writing style is, writing learning strategies is extremely important this week. And then last, you'll get to your video discussions with walk in someone else's shoes, looking at different people who have lifelong learning as a passion. Dunlap talks about a lifelong learner, very, again, powerful. He does have an accent, so just be aware of that. Smash Fear, Learn Anything is someone self-reflective of how they learned things. And then Randy Pausch's last lecture, he is dies of cancer, and this is his last lecture. So it's very, again, powerful and impactful for you. Watch one, not all 3, just watch one. You can certainly watch more if you want to. And then tell the first part of your discussion, tell which video you watched, what you learned, or what your behavior, what you felt, what you believed, what you changed your thoughts, what life lesson did you get from this person's, what were the aha moments, what all of a sudden light bulb went on for you, like, oh my gosh, this is great. And then what advice are you going to walk away with? So lifelong learning is all about personal satisfaction and carrying on. So what advice are you going to get for a happy life? Respond to colleagues. Remember, this is more than just, oh yeah, I totally agree with you. Have a conversation. That's what discussion posts are all about. So enjoy this week's lifelong learning. It is kind of one of my favorite chapters, although I say that every week. So enjoy, and I will see you next week for our last week.